Hey, this is Abraham with FixMyHeadlights.com. Today we're over in Coral Springs. We're gonna be doing another Range Rover Sports. Let's look at the headlights now. FixMyHeadlights.com will come to you in mobile. Another amazing job done by FixMyHeadlights.com. If these are the results that you're looking for, crystal clear headlights that looks like new, the answer is simple to your problem of foggy headlights. Just simply give us a call. You'll be happy that you did. 954-272-8560. FixMyHeadlights.com. If you're looking for the best headlight restoration service in Coral Springs or the surrounding areas, you've come to the right place. FixMyHeadlights.com, where mobile will come to you. Call today. 954-272-8560. You'll be happy that you did.